I believe in sizwakho umhlobo
Yeah.
aseke nabo referee nama envelope silaleni ibhola libe mnandi mina ngilethe nil ngiyibona ukuthi yangidla mara ungangirobhi.
Getting a call up next time, mhlawumbe mawuthole call up next time, yini into ongayisho before you decide to David Onawase, because I know this field has played, there are so many players that has played here, such as Junior Khanyi himself, Jabu Mahlangu, Skarango Bese, different players, Abo Kalawa, Jasmine Badlalelana. Obviously, none is Zalani is because you know ukuthi Mabuya yini and Mabuya idlala big teams such as River Park, 80 Mamas and other teams. But indlela abaniphatha ngayo namhlanje mhlawumbe ayikajabulisi to extent mhlawumbe mina engathi ingakani nizizwa kanjani ngokubuya next year.
So with us in River Park, we don't have a problem. We honor the invite.
Yeah.
Come rain or sunshine. Yeah, who's Junior Khanyi? Junior Khanyi played for Chiefs. Akatoti.
Yeah.
Akat Black Cat, which crafting him.
Yeah.
Akat Chicho that pay move.
Sure.
I don't have a problem.
Yeah.
Bring